Hey guys, so I just made a video earlier today and realized that that video sucked just like any other video that I've done in the past few days. So yeah, as you all know, I'm doing this daily vlog upload, but I'm not putting them as public. I'm putting them as unlisted so that you guys, so that so that I can spare you guys from all the sad posts and the pathetic posts that I do. But I do it for myself and not for you guys. So I'm sorry about that. And the thing is, also, it helps me up cope with this freaking lockdown that we have in Melbourne. So that's a good thing. So currently, it's a Friday. It's a rainy Friday. Yesterday weather was good. Today, no, not really good because yesterday in Sydney there were a little hail and everything else, and also here in Melbourne. But yeah, today it's rainy, cold, and yeah, I've been going to bed late, waking up late. Also, like I get up around 12 or 3 p.m., which is very late. I should be waking up around 7 and everything like that. But everything's like different now. I need to fix my body clock. That's me mumbling again. But anyway, I just want to say hi to you guys and how you going. I'm looking forward to seeing all of you here in Melbourne. Because the thing is, even though I'm so depressed with all this lockdown that we've been having, imagine we've been awarded the most locked down city in the world. Man, that's tough. And also, our cases, we broke our own record. We're around 2,000 plus. So yeah, good job, Melbourne. Good job, Victoria. Fuck. Anyway, yeah. I'm lost. What was that? Okay. We're approaching our finish line for the lockdown, and it's a good thing. Other people, other countries can't understand what we're feeling, but yeah, we're really fucked up. We've been locked down for ages, and right now we're having around 63.8% second dose vaccination. As soon as we go 70% double dose vaccination, we'll have our city open, and I'm excited for that because I need a haircut. Look at my hair; it's tough. I know it's pretty bad. It's pretty bad, and also I just need to. I want to. Oh shit! I'm excited and I don't understand. I just want to go out. So like it's gonna be a few days. Like let's just put 1% per day. So we're looking at around 6 days that will open. So maybe a week. I'm still very excited to open. I mean, to see us open. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm out of myself. But yeah, hope you guys are fine. I'm not fine, but I'm getting there. Also, I can feel that we're really getting to the opening, and we'll be shooting weddings soon. We'll be shooting portraits soon. We'll be shooting anything soon. So I'm excited to meet all of you, and hope we can do a photo shoot. Like, yeah. Okay, my line of thought got jumbled. I also want to update my portraits talent or portraits. I don't know. I've been rusty and I haven't been doing a lot of good photos, and I've been doing a lot of videos, but they're not that best. I'm mainly a photographer, but yeah, I'm just posting up old photos, old travel photos. But I'm hoping as soon as we open, I could get good wedding photos, good portrait photos, and anything else. So guys, see you soon, and yeah, I'm not yet there. I'm like fucking pissed. Stressed with all the schoolwork that I'm doing, but I should be fine. We should be fine. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, that's my few minutes of vlogging for today. See you tomorrow. Bye. I always have this thought that I'm gonna deliver prior to filming, but I end up just blabbering, and my line of thought just gets jumbled. I hope I get to fix that.